I make a lot of great content video, but the ones that get the most likes and comments are definitely the ones about the stupid and funny things we find in the field. So, let's see what we have today.
They need to put that flashing in there.
Hold on a second. The seller came out. She's asking a question. I'm sorry. What happened? What? I'm not sure what the problem is. The cracking. Are you talking about the cracking of the material on the ceiling?
Yeah, now there's more cracking.
Well, the cracking was there before we ever went into the ceiling.
Well, you can see where someone knocked more stuff down.
No, that's insulation.
That's insulation. That's fiberglass insulation from when he crawled out of the attic.
This whole thing is new. There was a little crack there where my husband put something heavy, and someone continued to crack it when they went up there.
That was like that before we went in the attic.
Shot the video of it.
We have video footage of that before we even opened up, put foot on a ladder.
Somebody pushed on it.
Okay. I'm just telling you.
No, because I know what was there because I was pissed when my husband did it.
Okay.
This part is new.
I'm just telling you that before we even put foot on a ladder, we have recording of that crack the way it is.